everybody, my name is Sara Moccand-Sayegh. I'm excited to be joining SMX Munich on March 15th and 16th. I will be speaking about Chrome DevTools for SEO. I am not a dev, first of all, but in tons of occasions, Chrome DevTools helped me solve some SEO mystery. So I will, during my talk, I will give a lot of examples so that I will make it accessible to everybody. I can start by an example now. Just imagine that you wrote this beautiful piece of content. You have spent hours on it. And the UX designer, to make your website a little bit prettier on mobile, decided to add accordions. You know, accordions are that thing that you click, open, click, close on the mobile. And most of the times accordions are not a problem. However, you figure out that there is something wrong. And then Google is not really indexing the page the way that you want. There is something wrong in the startup. So what could you do? But use your Chrome DevTool to figure out what is the problem. So it's a free tool. It's a Chrome. So everybody have access to it. What else can I do? What else can I say? Just grab your ticket and join me and tons of other fantastic SEOs and join us at SMX Munich. See you there. Thank you.